Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can trigger bread with no flour in Heartopia. So it may seem confusing at first, but I honestly just cooked a lot of mushroom pies and then it's going to kind of trigger the task. Unfortunately, I'm already way past that and I don't have any more ingredients to make it, but I just made some mushroom and some black truffle pies and it's going to basically trigger it and you'll be finished with this specific task and you'll get the frosted like the icing sugar for this week's task, but you don't really need to do that one to complete everything this week. Just in case you wanted to know what this meant, because I searched everywhere and I couldn't find the answer until I actually just cooked mushroom pie, and then it just triggered the task, I guess. It could be different for you guys, but just basically like cook some mushroom pies. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.